In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the meter cable. This is a view of the front of the control valve. In order to access the internal components, we will need to view the back side of the power head. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws that are located in each corner. The front display cover will then easily tilt forward and away from the power head housing. Please keep in mind that there is limited slack for the wires connected to the front display board. Then carefully wiggle and detach each of the multi-pin connectors away from the front display board. The first being the yellow connector, followed by the black connector, then the white connector, then the red connector, then the 2 blue connectors, and then finally the 2 white connections, and then set the display cover aside. Using pliers, pinch and push the strain relief that is holding the gray meter cable through the hole in the housing, and then either push or pull one of the ends of the meter cable through that hole and set both the meter cable and the strain relief aside. Now wrap the strain relief around the replacement meter cable and then slide the multi-pin connector through the hole in the housing and then push and twist the strain relief into place. Then slide the meter cable tip back into its port and click it into place. Next, connect the multi-pin connectors to the display board while keeping in mind that the connectors are color-coded and keyed to fit in only one orientation. Then reposition the front cover back into place, and while holding the front cover in position, use the crosshead screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws back into place.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.